In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group on Monday.com. Navigating through project management tools can sometimes feel like you're learning a new language, but fear not, because today we're breaking down one of those tasks that might seem daunting at first, but is actually quite straightforward. Let's start with the very basics. First, you'll want to log into your Monday.com account. This is your gateway into managing your projects, boards, and of course, groups. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Picture it as the control center where all your boards live. Boards on Monday.com are like the homes of your projects, and under those boards, groups and items are organized to help manage the various tasks or phases of your project. The next step in your mission is to select the board containing the group you wish to delete. Think of this as choosing a book off a shelf. To find the right chapter, or in this case, the group you're looking to remove, you need the correct book. Once you've selected and clicked into the board, take a moment to scan through your groups. They're typically labeled by color at the top of your board and represent different categories or stages of your project. Have you pinpointed the group you want to delete? Excellent. Next, move to the edge of the group's title bar where you'll spot three little dots, commonly known as the More Options menu. This serves as your gateway to further actions related to this group. Clicking on these dots will bring up a menu filled with various options, but your attention should be on the Delete Group option. Now, it might feel somewhat like finding the needle in the haystack, but stick with me. Once you locate that option, you are very close to your goal. Before proceeding to click Delete Group, let's press pause for a second. It's crucial to be absolutely certain before you delete anything. Remember, deleting a group is a permanent action. All items, tasks, and any attached files or comments within that group will be gone forever. If this group contains any valuable information you might need in the future, consider taking another action, like archiving the group for future reference. Still convinced that this group needs to go? Then, by all means, click Delete Group. You might encounter a pop-up asking you to confirm your decision. Consider this a safety net to prevent unintentional deletions. And there you have it. Once you confirm, the group along with its contents will disappear from your board, leaving you with a cleaner slate to work with. The process is quite intuitive once you know where to look and what to expect. Deleting a group may be necessary for a variety of reasons, such as removing outdated projects or streamlining your board structure, and now you know exactly how to do just that. Remember, Monday.com is a powerful tool for project management, providing a lot of flexibility in how you organize and manage your work. Deleting a group is just one of the many actions available to customize your boards to better meet your project's needs and your workflow preferences. To wrap up, today we walked through the steps of navigating to your dashboard on Monday.com, selecting the correct board, identifying the group you want to delete, and finally, removing that group. While the idea of eliminating a part of your project might seem daunting, it's a straightforward process that helps in keeping your project boards tidy and focused on what's currently relevant. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're new to Monday.com or simply looking to tidy up your existing project boards, I hope this guide has been beneficial. Keep exploring, keep organizing, and most importantly, keep creating amazing projects.